Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Happy Saturday and welcome to my Saturday morning makes with Joel Norwood. This is my episode number 30. I'm so excited about that. So first I'm going to share what I used and then I'll share my project. So for my first project I used the CC Design Stitch Squares. Then I used these penny black stitch stackers. They're so pretty. Love those. Then I used some ephemera from this Merry Little Christmas pack. And these are cute. I always struggle with ephemera, but this time it made a perfect accent to my card. Next I used some diamond stickles. I also used some glossy accents. I used some silver glitter dust. I love this stuff. It makes your card so much fun. I also used this frosted peppermint paper stack pad from DCWV, and I got this from Joanne. And this paper is so cute. I then used some of this decorative ribbon from Martha Stewart, and it is so pretty. It has like this sparkle with the twine. So fun. Then I used my Lily of the Valley cocoa and gingerbread tags, and I used this one down here that says Gingerbread Kisses Christmas Wishes. So cute. And lastly, I used this Gingerbread Lucy from CC Designs. And this is my card. And I colored her up using Copics. And I think she turned out darling. And then that's my inside. So I can write my little wishes of Christmas to someone. And I hope y'all like it. Okay, on to card number 2. So I again used my stitch stackers from Penny Black. And then I used some Distress Oxide and Festive Berries. I used some Distress Mica Stain and Peppermint Stick. And some Distress Mica Stain and Tree Lot. And then I used this cute candy cane die from Simon Says Stamp. And I got it a couple years ago in a kit. So I'm not sure the name of it. I also used this Spectrum Noir Sparkle. And it comes in little jars, but I decided to put it in a bottle so that I could use it as spray. I actually got that tip from Tina Bean. Then I used this die right here from Penny Black called Bow Set. And I used the top bow. And then I used a sentiment from Christmas Cheer from Simon Says Stamp. And this set is so cute. And this is what I came up with. And I think it is so cute. So it says Christmas Cheer to you and yours. And do you see how that sparkle? It is so pretty. So some of this sparkle is from this stain, and then the rest of the sparkle is from that Spectrum Noir Sparkle Spray. And then here's my inside. I left it blank. Really cute. Okay, and now on to my last share. I used some of these palettes from the Dollar Tree. I used some raffia from the Dollar Tree. I used some acorns from Hobby Lobby, and I had some of y'all wondering what I was going to use them for, so this is the project. I used these Pebbles phrase stickers. I used 2 of them, and they're fall sayings. They're really cute, and they actually come in 2 different colors, so really sweet. I used some Distress Ink Vintage Photo. I used some twine from the Dollar Tree. I then used this Lindy's Stamp Gang Starburst, and it's in the color Red Hot Poker Orange, and it's so pretty. And then I used the Prima Color Bloom 2 Limited Edition Pot Marigold. And this is also very beautiful. And I again used my Spectrum Noir Sparkle Spray. And this is what I came up with. And I actually got the idea from SS Crafter 1 Tammy, and she got her idea from Pinterest. So these are called palette pumpkins. And so I changed it up a little. They used wood for the tops of their pumpkins, like little slices of wood. And I decided to use acorns and put my little spin on it. And then I tied it up with raffia and the twine. And then I used one of my dies. It's from, I didn't pull it, but it's from, oh, here it is. It's from Blueprint 6. I used this one right here from MFT. And I cut out a piece of paper, and I put my little sentiments on it after I edged it in some ink. And I also did the back so that in case, you know, you wanted to set it out somewhere where you could see both the front and back. But I made a tall one and a short one, so you can do them either way. And I think they turned out so cute, and they were so fun to make. They were messy, but fun. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching my video and seeing my makes for the week. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Have a very happy Saturday and a blessed Sunday. Bye-bye.